Hi, I'm Sharon Abaud. I'm an immigration attorney in the area of Los Angeles, California. Today I'm going to talk about what happens when you have a family member file a family petition for you, or the form I-130, and you're the beneficiary and you're living outside the United States. And what happens when your case is pending, in some cases over 10, 15, 20 years, and you want to come visit the United States in the meantime. Can you come visit the United States while you have an I-130 pending? The straight answer under the law, yes, you can come visit. But what's happening? Know that every time you enter the United States with a tourist visa, or what's also known as the B1, B2 visa, you are promising the United States that you intend to go back to your home country to live, that you have no intention of living in the United States. So what happens is when you have an I-130 petition, remember that the I-130 is for you to become a resident one day. When you have this case pending, immigration is going to raise an eyebrow and say, wait a minute, you're telling me you don't want to come here to stay this time? You have plans of living here in the future. You have a petition filed for you. So what you want to do in those cases is have extra evidence, have strong evidence of your intent to stay in your home country. Maybe you're in the middle of an intense career, you're in college and you have no plans of abandoning it. You want to show proof of that. If you own a home, you want to show proof of that. If you have, a good job, you want to show proof of that. You want to show that you have a steady reason to return to your home country. The more proof, the better. Now you may say, hey Sharon, I already have a tourist visa. I already went to the consulate, and I already have my B1, B2 visa. It's good for another 10 years. This doesn't concern me. But it might, because the moment that just because you have a tourist visa doesn't mean that you're not going to get inspected every time you come to a port of entry. So every time you arrive, immigration's checking you out again. And if since your last arrival, you now have this pending I-130, they may ask you questions at the border and they can turn you away. It has happened. So be prepared if that's your case. Make sure you bring extra evidence with you to the airport so that you are ready to explain that you are going to return, have a return ticket in hand to show the officer, and just be ready to prove again that your intention is to return to your home country. I hope this answers some of your questions. If you have any other questions, concerns, comments, feel free to message me, write to me, or call. My name is Sharon Abaud. I'm an immigration attorney in Los Angeles, California. Thank you.